You work hard. You pray. You try to do good. But then you see others cheating, lying, and still getting ahead. And you think, why does life feel so unfair? Allah answers, put your trust in me. The world will always look unfair. Sometimes the wrong people rise. Sometimes the honest are left behind. But Allah tells us, if Allah helps you, none can overcome you. But if He forsakes you, who is there that can help you after Him? And in Allah let the believers put their trust. That means no matter what the world looks like, no one's success, no one's power, no one's injustice, can harm you if Allah is with you. And if He withholds His support, even an army of people won't be able to lift you. This is tawakkul. Believing that your outcome is not written by people's tricks or systems. It is written only by Allah's perfect justice. So don't envy. Don't despair. Keep walking with integrity. Because Allah sees, and Allah writes your story with wisdom. When life feels unfair, tawakkul reminds you. The real judge has not given his final word yet. Comment, my trust is in Allah's justice. Save this reminder for the days you feel overlooked. Follow for more Quranic strength and hope.